Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned GMC Sierra 1500 SLT All Terrain. It's silver in exterior color. It's accented with a chrome-plated grille and lower bumper. It has halogen high beams, low beams, and a pair of fog lamps. An aftermarket bug deflector, aftermarket wheels, wrapped in all-terrain and rubber. It has chrome mirror caps, door handles, and running boards. Chrome side rails on the box. A Z71 package. A V8 engine and just 128,000 kilometers on the odometer. Has an overhead moonroof, four-wheel drive, mud flaps, and lots of great features throughout. It has SLT badging at the back, rear park sensors and backup camera, a manual locking tailgate, and a trailer towing package. It has a tri-fold tonneau cover, a rear defrost window, and cargo lamps. Inside we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, electronic shifting four-wheel drive, automatic headlamps, heated front seats, cruise control, voice-activated controls, column shift lever, a backup camera, a CD player, an auxiliary line in, dual climate control zones, and a set of power adjustable brake pedals, an OnStar capable mirror, overhead lighting, and a power moonroof with a manual sunshade, two-tone all-terrain interior with power driver and passenger seat. A 60-40 split rear seat, a 12-volt power supply, and storage and seat pockets at the driver and passenger seat. Overhead lighting, second row, power windows, and door speakers. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering your additional questions, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.